Hello, this video is meant for introduction of the VDSL converting module. This is the VDSL converting module that we are going to ship to you. And the VDSL converting, it needs to be a pair. Since it has to be a one that man responsible for sending, then the other one man responsible for receiving. This one is going to receiving the LAN networking signal and the transfer for twisted pair. Then this is going to receiving signal from twisted pair and the transfer back to networking signal and to the QCN660 module. So it needs to be a pair. And this is the power adapter for these two modules. Each has one power adapter. And as my reference data, the sockets in Philippines is same as in Taiwan. So I think it's will be compatible. And it is powering side here. Okay. This for the powering, and the LAN for the signal transfer, and the wiring. I have drawn a wiring for this project, so you can refer to that wiring. This video is for another reference. For the wiring, here. Okay, you can't. I have put the stickers here. I have put the stickers, the mark on the case. Let's do in case you confusing, or yes, you can see it. Let's in case you confusing of the mounting here. This pair is for the lift one. Info one is for the lift one. And this is for mounting on the control panel side. You can see the dip switch here is this parameter. And then this is for mounting on the car top. The dip switch here is this parameter. It's different parameter. So you have to pairing them together so it can work in functional. Okay, then we continue to the wiring. Each module, we will give you a cable like this. Each module will have a cable. So two module, each pair will have two cables. Okay, because you need to have one cable in the sender side, in the control panel side, and then you will have another cable in the car top side. So you will need two cables for two VDSL module, and this is a pair. Okay. So how we wiring this cable into the VDSL? Here. You have to look closer. There are two network connector here, two RJ45 connector. It has a letter here. One is for LAN, then another for VDSL. So our cable is for the VDSL side. You can see, because two of them are RJ45, so we have to input our RJ45 connector into this side here, like this way. Then the other RJ45 is to connecting to the central control room as this because this module is on the car is on the lift control panel. So this side is to central control room, and this side is to twisting pair. Is to the twisting pair in the hoistway of the lift. Okay, I actually has a wiring here. Here. This is only a simulating. This is a simulating construction. This one is a PC server, and supposed for simulating it's a control center. So this PC server will connecting first to a hub. Connecting to a hub, so through this hub it can send the signal to all three lifts. Lift 1, lift 2, lift 3. And the lift 1 then connecting to the VDSL 1. This for example, this the VDSL 1. So this networking cable connecting to the lift 1 VDSL sender. Its input of the networking signal, and through this VDSL is transfer here. Is transfer to twisting pair. This is a simulating for the lift twisting pair. So this is transfer from here, from this cable. From this cable is transferring signal, then can through the twisting pair to send to the other side. For example, this is the hoistway. So it is going through the hoistway, and from the control panel to the car top. This is the car top side. This VDSL is mounting on the car top side. So this is transfer the signal through this cable and to this VDSL converter. Then this VDSL converting the signal back to networking signal again, and through this network cable to the QCN660 module here on the top of the car. So this can be a complete construction. I will video closely to each connector, and the first thing I will show closely about this transfer cable, since it's very important. When you screw this cable here, twisted pairs two lines. So you have to, for example, if you screw a line to the, I have marked the A side and the B side. So you have to screw the same cable on the A side, from the A side here, from the A side of the sending side. If you screw the cable on the A, then through to the other side, you have to screw the same here. You have to screw the same cables on the car top side. On the car top side, A connector. Yes, it means it needs to be. So why I marked the A and the B? That's for you to screw into the right side. If you screw the same color, for example, this twisted pair I have here has the, here you can see, has the green and the red color, two colors cable. So if you screw the green color on the A, you have to screw the same green cable on the other side and into the A hole. And the red cable in the B. So you have to screw the same red cable here on the B side. Okay. Then you will get good communication, good connection between the whole networking transmission. Okay, the next part is check closely of the VDSL's lighting. This is the status when power in and working functional in standby mode. When you send the videos, pictures, or any data, the lights while flashing quickly means it's transmission data. Normally it's on this status. And again, this is a transfer cable. This here. I use a one here. No, this one. Wait a minute. Okay, here. So you will have very clear vision. This here mark the lane. This is to input the LAN cable. This one input network cable. Then the other mark the VDSL connector. It's for input the VDSL converting cable, which is I will give you. This cable I will give you. This cable I will give you for you to mounting. But these LAN cables, you can prepare the LAN cables on your own, since these LAN cables, depending on the distance between different modules. For example, this one is going to be mounted inside the control panel on the topmost floor of the building. So these LAN cables need to go through the distance between the topmost building and to the central control room, since this hub is inside of the central control room. So you will need to decide how long distance between these two modules. So it's better that you can prepare the correct distance, correct length of the cable. Okay, this video is meant for the VDSL, meant for the networking construction wiring method, wiring way of this project. If there's any further questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you.